Hi everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. My name is Daulat Hussain and in this video I'm going to teach you that how you can make your pre-recorded video live. Most of you guys have seen across all the social media platform, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, that peoples are going live very frequently, but those live videos are actually not live. Those are pre-recorded video which they record and do the necessary editing in that, and then they make it live. So right now in this video I will teach you that which platform you can use it to make your pre-recorded video live. So enough of talking, let me take you to my computer screen and show you the application, the software which we're going to use to make our recorded video live. So let's dive into my computer screen. So here, as you can see, that we are on the website of OneStream. So this is the website which we're going to use to make our pre-recorded video live. So you can easily come to this website. I will provide the link of the website in the description, so you can click and you can come to this website. Or you can do one thing, just open a new tab, type OneStream and hit enter, and here we are on their official website. So let me cut down the other tabs. So now let me give you a walkthrough that how you're going to use this application for making your pre-recorded video. They have provide a bunch of features. So I personally use it for myself. Generally I don't go live very frequently, but whenever I want to go, I just use this software to make my pre-recorded video live across all the social media platforms. So as you can see, they have written that live stream real-time and recorded video. So you can go on live on YouTube, Facebook. I have never used this one, Vimeo. So they have bunch of platform which you can use to go live. So let's come down and let me take you to the feature section. So here we have to focus like what are the feature we're going to get if we use this software. So the very first feature we'll get like social media streaming. So as you can see that you can go live up to 40 plus social media network at a single time. So that's why this one is so best. Like 40 platform you can be present and you can go live. And the second one is pre-recorded streaming. So as you can, if you have a pre-recorded video, you can just upload in the system and you can make streaming across all the social media platform, wherever platform you want. Real-time streaming also across various platform. And the fourth feature is that you can go live on your own website. Suppose if you have a dedicated audience or someone enrolled in your particular course and you want to show that video to that audience only, so you can do that. That one is as well. So you can embed that video into your website and the people will go and they can watch it. So that's one is also a great feature. And the fifth feature they have is that you can add playlist streaming. So you can have playlists like first videos complete, then they will have the second one. So you can add the entire playlist in a live streaming. So this one is also a great feature. Now custom RM streaming is also one of the best, and here is the cloud storage integration they provide. So they have a multiple platform where you can integrate with them and you can store that video, your videos in that platform, and the entire streaming will happen from the cloud storage. It would be very fast and very easy that they can generate you caption and subtitles. So as you can see, these facilities, these features are absolutely amazing. So you can go with that. And if I scroll it down, here are some more features that different upload options they will provide you. Like you can upload with your camera, you can upload with Google Drive, and as I told you that you have cloud storage integration. From there you can also upload your videos, and no software installation is required for using this application. You can simply log into your dashboard where you have to upload your entire video, or connect your storage where you have storage your video to this platform, and you can start the streaming from right on this platform. And team management they also offer a live chat system. So they provide a bunch of features. That's why I personally like it, and I always recommend to many of our clients who wants to talk about this like live streaming thing. So it's also very best. So now let me take you to the pricing section. Here as you can see that OneStream provide 4 different pricing plans: free, basic, standard and professionals. So here I just want to tell you that if you are starting new and you haven't used this software before, so I always recommend you to go with the free plans. Try to learn the software, that how it's work, what are the features these software provide, and how you going to use for yourself. It's dependent what kind of content you create, what kind of market presence you have. According to that you're going to use the softwares. So if you are starting up and you haven't have your audience base on across the social media platform, then I would not recommend you to invest any amount for upgrading your account and using pay paying $10 or $40 and $90 for using the software. Start with free version, because in free version they provide a lot of features which help you to increase your knowledge that how this streaming platform works, and after that you will find that it's working better, then you can upgrade your account definitely. So in the free version you will get unlimited live streaming, that there is no limit that you can do only 10-20 live streaming. You can do unlimited live streaming. You can make your pre-recorded video live streaming, but no real-time streaming. They will allow you to do it from this platform, and no multicasting would be given in the free version. So what multicasting is, that you can't be live at a time across multiple platforms. So at a time you can be live in one platform, but that's why this multicasting is there. If you have your multicasting, you can be present, like you can be live across all the social media platform at a single time, but in the free version they will allow you to be in particular one platform, one queue at a time, no playlist, maximum video streaming is 5 minutes, one social account you can able to connect, not more than that, maximum 5 GB videos they will allow you, no caption and subtitles they are providing you, recorded video broadcasting you will get, 5 minutes camera recording they will provide, 5 minutes screen capturing they required. So I think it's best to start with the free version, because it will help you and open up your mind that how this entire process works and how this software works. So I always recommend you to go with the free plan. So let me log in to my account and show you that how you can use this platform and how the dashboard of these OneStreams look like. So let me click on sign in. So once you come to this page, make sure that you create your accounts. As I have already created my account, so I will simply log in. So I will log in with Google. I will choose my email ID. And this is the dashboard of OneStreams look like. Once you log in into your account, you will find a similar appearance like this. You will find all the social media platform which exist. That's all platform you will find right up here. So as you can see, I have never seen these platform before, but they are all listed here. You have to just simply connect the platform with your OneStream account and you can ready to go live. So let me give you an overview of an account. So if you want to connect any one of your social media profile from here, suppose I want to connect my Facebook page, so I will simply click on my Facebook page and I have to wait, and here I have to give the authority. I have to accept, yes, continue with Dawlat Hussain. I have to select the page which I want to connect with that. So I'm going to connect this Dawlat Hussain and I will click next, done, okay. I have to wait. So connect to OneStream, connect to OneStream, and here as you can see that my account is successfully connected with OneStream. So now let me show you that how you can make your pre-recorded video live. So simply click here, pre-recorded stream, and here you will find two options, real-time stream and pre-recorded stream. So if you want to do pre-recorded stream, all you have to do, here you will find some options. If you have your videos on any one of these platforms, Google Drive, Dropbox, so you can simply integrate with your Dropbox to this platform and you can import your video here and you can just stream it from the platform. But if you don't have your videos in any one of these platforms, if you have the video in your computer, so you can simply click here, just wait, and from here you have to select the place where you want to do. If you want to go with camera, capture or device, so I will go with device, and from here you can easily choose the video which you want to do the streaming. So you can select the video, whatever video you want. I'm not going to do that because it will take a lot of time. So once you upload the video, you will go to schedule section, and from here you have to fill out all the details like tag, descriptions. You will find the box here, you can fill out all the details, and simply from here you can set the timing when you want to make the video live, the calendar, all you have to. So if you have your upgrade account, you can set the multiple list and on which day you want to do the broadcasting, so you can easily manage it from here. So this software is very easy, you can use it amazingly, and it's very user friendly, I would say. If you are starting up with this live streaming software, so you must go with this because it will give you a complete idea that how these softwares work and how you have to upload your video, how you have to do the broadcasting across different channels, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, or you want to do on your own website. So I must tell you to give a try, and once you come and do the entire setting, you can check all the things that how the entire things works. You will learn a lot. So I must tell you that start with this. I hope you would learn a lot. So that's it in this video. I hope you have found this video valuable. So I was getting a lot of questions that how we can make our video, pre-recorded video, live. So I thought that the tool I suggest from my client, the tool I use sometime, not very oftenly, I use sometime for these kind of tools. So I thought let's share with you all, so you can use this one and you can know that how the entire systems work, and it will help you to keep your presence across all the social media platform. So I hope you have liked this video. If you have any questions or any queries, write down in the comment section, or if you have any doubt, just do let me know. I would love to answer all your queries and help you to solve your problems. So that's it in this video. I hope you like it. If you want to know anything else, write down in the comment section. And that's it. Bye bye. Have a great day.